U.S. Marines with the 3rd Battalion Company 5, 23rd Marine Regiment, Marine Corps Troop Reserves, and United States partner countries participate in marksmanship training. On board the Escuela de Formación de Infantería Marina Cavazos in Cavazos, Colombia, they train hand speed or disassemble weapons. They train them according to circumstances, blindfolded with a yellow cloth and the other one with open eyes. Then the one with the closed eye is too slow compared to the one with the open eye.
Lights. La forma de arme.
U.S. Marines with the 3rd Battalion of Company 5, they carried out special training, such as different techniques on how to train the speed of disassembling weapons. U.S. Marines and their 3rd Battalion not only did this exercise, but there were several drills as well that they did to prepare for combat. This exercise is the right shooting practice. They have to practice a pretty perfect shot and have to focus on the one point they are facing, and what they are facing is a round point in front of them.
Okay, you are watching the scope.
Hey, Partington, you need some lube there, killer.
What's that, Sergeant?
U.S. Marines with the 3rd Battalion. Not only one weapon is trained, but various weapons must be trained. Because in one weapon there are many different things. UNITAS focuses on strengthening existing regional partnerships and encouraging the formation of new ones through the exchange of knowledge and expertise focused on maritime missions. The U.S. Marines are also preparing a watercraft, because to prepare for shore exercises, walking the day they also changed the exercise, which was carried out on the beach by the U.S. Marines, was swimming in the sea. They also have to prepare their guts, because the most important thing for them is their breath or swimming style. That's what all U.S. Marines do.